Over the last 20 plus years, we've been involved in handling insurance bad faith claims on a large scale, national class action cases against over 580 insurance companies. We have a substantial background in the topic of insurance bad faith that really is unmatched in Oregon. 20 years ago, I wrote a book about insurance claim bodily injury software. It was called Colossus. And my background is essentially in looking at how is the auto insurance industry using particular processes like these to underpay claims or delay claims as long as possible so that they can hold the money and make as much interest or investing capital as possible. Historically, even though we've had law on the books since 1967, Oregon courts have not recognized that an insurance policyholder, in other words, an injured person that has their own insurance policy, can bring a claim directly against their insurance company for a failure to appropriately make an offer. I'm talking about things like offering $0 on a case that ends up being evaluated at over $2 million. We've seen this repeatedly and abusively in Oregon for the last 2 decades, where they drag you as a policyholder through a claim, knowing all along that your case is worth substantially more than they're offering, simply in order to deny you appropriate compensation because there were no financial or legal consequences for the insurance companies in Oregon. Eventually, in December of 2023, the Oregon Supreme Court ruled that insurance policyholders can bring a private action directly against their own insurance company for improperly denying or delaying claims. As a result of that, we now have what are called first-party insurance bad faith claims, where we are suing insurance companies on behalf of policyholders for these large institutional practices. And finally, you're able to take some action now in Oregon, and we are accepting those cases for things like the intentional denial of claims, the intentional underpayment or undervaluation of claims where you're substantially injured and deserve compensation. If you feel like you have a good insurance bad faith claim where you've been denied a reasonable settlement offer, call our office and schedule an appointment in regard to whether you've got a viable legal claim against your own insurance company.